Everyone, do you know what I'm doing? I'm trying to do this. It's very hard, but I can do it. Ow! Okay, this is my makeup. Okay. Tell myself tomorrow. Oh, you're letting the
I'm so
air
sorry.
go
I'm so
to
sorry.
me. It's gonna push my overhead. It's gonna help
So
me.
sorry, darling. Continue.
I feel the makeup. Oh, I already have makeup.
Okay. Are you done?
I'm done.
It's time for food. Okay. Say bye to everyone.
Bye.
You look pretty now. Do you look pretty now?
Yes.
Okay.
I still wear pajamas.
Ah, no. Bye.
Because Daddy's in school.
Yeah.
I didn't let go yet because we were trying to sleep upstairs again because Mommy did not sleep properly. Mommy sent Daddy to Daddy sent Daddy to school. Mommy was trying to prepare Daddy's food. That's why Mommy wasn't able to sleep.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.